Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through how to disable light notifications for all chats on WhatsApp. If you find the blinking light distracting or simply want to simplify your notifications, follow these easy steps. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and ready to access the app's settings. Next, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots. Tap on them to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, tap on Notifications. This section allows you to customize how WhatsApp alerts you about new messages. Now scroll down until you see the Messages section. Under this section, locate the option labeled Light and tap on it. A list of light notification options will appear. To turn off the light notifications completely, select None. After making this selection, tap OK to confirm your choice. And that's it. You've successfully disabled light notifications for all chats on WhatsApp. This simple adjustment can help reduce distractions and make your messaging experience more peaceful. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might benefit from it. Thanks for tuning in.